Hello students, welcome to the next video 3D class, that is the fourth 3D class. So before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. Susto. Today we are going to discuss some other problems of the first chapter 3D. One question, that is a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma, delta with 4 diagonal of a cube. Then prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4/3, and sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus sin square delta is equal to 8/3. Okay, so how to prove cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4/3, where cos alpha is the angle between one diagonal with a line. Okay, so first we take a cube and we take its 4 main diagonal, then we take a line, then find its angle. So you know how to construct a cube. Clearly this is a cube. Now joining the edge point, this one is the edge point. Taking 3 edge coordinate axis, this is the y axis and this is the x axis and this is equal to z axis. Here this is the origin, its name A, B, C, D, this is E, okay, F, and this is equal to G. So consider a cube O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G with 3 edges taken as a coordinate axis. So what are the main diagonal? The main diagonals is OG, AD, then EB and CF. Okay, first we write these things. Answer. Consider a cube O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G with 3 edges taken coordinate axis. Okay, each side of length A units, each side of length A units. So the coordinate of edge A0, 0, because A lies on the x-axis. In the x-axis y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0, and the C is 0, A 0, E is the 0, 0, A. This point B lies on the xy plane. On the xy plane z coordinate 0, A 0. The point F lies in the xz plane. In the xz plane y coordinate is 0, and the coordinate of D lies on the yz plane. On yz plane x coordinate is 0, 0, A. Okay, and the coordinate of G is equal to A, and the coordinate of O is the 0, 0, 0. Okay, so the main diagonals, diagonal main diagonals are OG, AD, EB and CF. Okay, so what is the direction ratio of OG? Direction ratio of OG, G minus O, this is the A minus 0, A. Direction ratio of AD, direction ratio of AD means position vector of D minus position vector of A, D ru A को minus करूँ 0 minus A, direction ratio of EB, what is direction ratio of EB माने B minus E करिबो EB, तो 0 minus A, 0 minus A into A. Next, direction ratio of CF means F minus C, तो A minus 0, okay, A minus 0, 0 minus A minus 0, so this is A minus 0, what? A, 0 minus A, minus A minus 0, A, okay. Next, what is the DCS? It's DCS, direction cosine of OG is equal what? A by root over A square plus A square plus A square means A by root 3A square, so this is equal to 1 by root 3, okay, this is 1 by root 3 and this is 1 by root 3. DCS of AD minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. DCS of EB, so minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, okay, 1 by root 3. EB जोटा कि हमें B minus E करचे, B minus EB, A minus 0 A, अच्छा EB माने हमें कौन करिया जे EB माने B minus E करिया पड़ियो, B minus E, EB vector is equal to position vector of B minus position vector, तो A minus 0 A minus 0 A, 0 minus A केते ला minus A हला, so एटा होची A एटा होची minus A हो हला, A minus 0 0 minus A, so this is equal to A into minus A, so एटा कौन होबो 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, this is minus 1 by root 3. Next, direction cosine of CF, तो CF कौन होची ना 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, okay. So these are the direction cosine of the 4 main diagonal of a cube. Now actually we find the angle between of a line with its 4 diagonal. हमको कौन बाहर करिया पड़ियो, गोटे लाइन आउ चारटा मेन डायगोनल रे एंगल बाहर करिया पड़ियो, तापरे cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos delta स्क्वायर करी ऐड करिया पड़ियो. Now we take a line, another good line नेबा जेतु एमानकर हमें DCS नहीं चे, से लाइन रो DCS टा कंसीडर करिया. So consider a line capital L whose DCS is LMN, okay. तो बर्तमान मु फिगरटा फटोची, कंसीडर or let a line capital L whose DCS LMN makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma and delta with OG, AD, EB and CF respectively. Okay. So what is cos alpha? So cos alpha L into root 3. So L into 1 by root 3 means L by root 3 plus M by root 3 plus N by root 3, because the DCS of L is LMN and the DCS of OG is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. You know angle between two lines whose DCS L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 is L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Then L into 1 by root 3 plus M into 1 by root 3 plus N into 1 by root 3. Okay, are you understand? Next, cos beta. What will be cos beta? So cos beta is the angle between given line and AD. So the DCS of AD is minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So this is equal to minus L by root 3 plus M by root 3 plus N by root 3. And the cos alpha, beta, gamma. So cos gamma is equal to what? 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. And cos delta is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, this is equal to L and this is M, this is equal to N by root 3. Okay, and cos delta is equal to L by root 3 minus M by root 3 plus N by root 3. Okay, now we find cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. Okay, are you understand? Next, so cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to this is equal to L plus M plus N by root 3. This is equal to L plus M plus N by root 3 square plus minus L plus M plus N by root 3 square plus L plus M minus N by root 3 square plus L minus M, this is equal to, this is L minus M, this is equal to L minus M plus N by root 3 whole square. Okay, so 1 by root 3 square, 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 this is equal to 3. 1 by 3 take it common, so this is equal to L square plus M square plus N square आसीओ है लगे प्लस देख ये कौन आसी आम डायरेक्ट लिखा पे एटा L square plus M square plus N square, this is equal to 1 हबो plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL, L square plus M square plus N square 1 है प्लस ये तीन टर्म तीन टर्म कौन हो LM MN NL कोफिशिएंट पॉजिटिव रहिबो। अच्छा ये कौन हो देख ये ए टर्म रे कौन होची एल माइनस एल स्क्वायर मीन्स कौन हम एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर 1 हम 1 कौन होची माइनस 2lm हम माइनस 2lm प्लस 2mn माइनस 2ln ए प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर कौन है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca 6टा टर्म आइबो 6टा टर्म रु एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर 1 है आउ जो 3टा टर्म रहिबो से 3टा टर्म रे दीटा माइनस हबो गोटे प्लस हबो एले गोटे प्लस रहिबो आ गोटे दीटा माइनस रहिबो आ दीटा माइनस रहिबो एमदी रहिबो गोटे 1 है गोटे प्लस रहिबो गोटे माइनस हबो एडी कौन होची एडी हियर आल्सो एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर केते 1 हबो प्लस 2lm माइनस 2mn माइनस 2nl तार तो 6टा टर्म रु 3टा एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर 1 हबो प्लस गोटे टर्म प्लस रहिबो आ दीटा टर्म माइनस रहिबो बुझा चेष्टा करो एडी कौन होची एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर एडी भी एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर 1 हबो गोटे प्लस नहीं कि 1 है आउ दीटा टर्म कौन हम माइनस हम गोटे टर्म प्लस हम प्लस माइनस माइनस हम हेले कौन होची देखो 1 1 1 1 केते 4 है आउ जो रहिला आउ जो एडी 3टा टर्म अछि आउ ए 3टा टर्म अछि से 3टा टर्म अछि ए 3टा टर्म रे एडी 3 टर्म एडी 3 टर्म एडी 3 टर्म एडी 3 टर्म केते 12टा टर्म अछि 12टा टर्म रे एडी 3टा पॉजिटिव अछि एडी गोटे पॉजिटिव एडी गोटे पॉजिटिव एडी गोटे पॉजिटिव तो पॉजिटिव टर्म केते रहला 6टा पॉजिटिव रहला आउ कोन होची एडी दीटा 6टा नेगेटिव टर्म अछि 6टा पॉजिटिव टर्म अछि एले जो पॉजिटिव टर्म 6टा रहला नेगेटिव टर्म जो 6टा रहला दे आर कैंसिल टू ईच अदर सेटा कोन होई जो ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसिल हो जो तुम एटा को एक्सपांड करी लेखि दी कैंसिल कला हबो बा जेतु हमें एमडी फिटेरी कले भी तुम डायरेक्ट पकले भी हे पारियो सो एटा 1 1 1 ए जे एमडी आसियो पले एमडी स्टाइल रे हम जदी करबा सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1/3 into 4 so this is equal to 4/3 its value is equal to 4/3 therefore cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4/3 next cos square alpha is equal to what 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma plus 1 minus sin square delta तो मैं एटा को एमदी डायरेक्ट लिखियो हला so this is equal to केते होचे 4/3 so this is equal to 4/3 हला so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 केते हला 4 हला 4 minus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus sin square delta is equal to 4/3 that implies 4 minus 4/3 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus sin square delta and this is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus sin square delta तो 4 into 3 12 minus 4 this is equal to 8/3 this is the answer तो cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4/3 and sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 8/3 okay next we do another problem if L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are direction cosines of two mutually perpendicular lines so that direction cosine of a line which are the perpendicular to both of them are m1 n2 minus n1 m2 comma n1 l2 minus l1 n2 comma l1 m2 minus m1 l2 so here what are the given and what we prove here actually two lines whose direction cosines are given that is one direction cosine of the line l1 m1 n1 and the other direction cosine of line is L2, M2, N2. So these two lines are perpendicular. So if these two lines are perpendicular means what will be condition? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0, and L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square is equal to 1, L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square is equal to 1. Okay, now we prove that DCS of a line, DCS of another line which is perpendicular to the given lines, and that the DCS of the required line is this one. Okay, so आमे इमीडिएट लाइन रो DCS टा प्रमाण करिबा जो लाइन डागी जे गिवन लाइन नु कोन होतो परपेंडिकुलर होतो, गिवन लाइन नु कोन होतो परपेंडिकुलर होबो. तो गिवन लाइन को जो लाइन टा परपेंडिकुलर होची से लाइन रो DCS टा एति की होबो बोली आमे प्रूव करिया. ओके, तो एक्चुअली फर्स्ट वी टेक LMN with the DCS of a required line, with the DCS of a required line. Okay, which is perpendicular to given two lines. So answer. First we take this is the L1, capital L1 and capital L2 are two given mutually perpendicular lines, are given two mutually perpendicular lines whose DCS are L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2. तार्थ L1 रो DCS एटा, कैपिटल L2 रो DCS होची L2. So L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square is equal to 1, L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square is equal to 1, and L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. Okay, let capital L be the required line whose DCS is LMN. Actually we prove L is equal to M1 N2 minus N1 M2, M is equal to N1 L2 minus L1 N2, and N is equal to L1 M2 minus M1 L2. माने जो लाइन डा ए दीराग लाइन को L1 L2 को परपेंडिकुलर होची से लाइन रो DCS टा एति हबो बोली प्रूव करिया. एक्चुअली हमें कोन नै गेले ना रिक्वायर्ड लाइन रो DCS LMN मुनली. ओके, अच्छा, सिंस capital L is perpendicular to L1 and capital L perpendicular to L2, so by perpendicular condition L into L1 plus M into M1 plus N into N1 is equal to 0. कहीं L डा L1 को perpendicular होची, L DCS LMN, L1 DCS L1 M1 N1. आउर कौन होची L L2 को perpendicular होची माने कौन L into L2 plus M into M2 plus N into N2 is equal to 0. So by cross multiplication we get the value of LMN. So L by हमें cross multiplication कर देले कौन होगा ना L by M1 N2 minus M2 N1 is equal to M by एडी opposite direction में multiply होगा N1 L2 minus L1 N2 is equal to N by एडा गला L1 M2 minus L2 M1 minus L2 M1 बुझला कि. अच्छा, प्रकृत रे LMN नाम कौन नहीं छे DCS ऑफ द लाइन नहीं छे. LMN को जो नंबर तीनटा प्रोपोर्शनल होबो दैट विल बी डायरेक्शन रेशियो, किंतु डायरेक्शन रेशियो रा केतेबेले DCS होबो इफ दिस स्क्वायर्स, इफ L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 ना नहीं जदि L square plus M square plus N square टा 1 हेले ताको हम कहते DCS हम देखो L M N को जो तीनटा नंबर प्रोपोर्शनल है ताको हम कहबा डायरेक्शन रेशियो कहबा किंतु एई गुडी को केतेबेले डायरेक्शन कोसाइन हबो ना when this square plus एतिरो स्क्वायर plus this expression the square एतिरो स्क्वायर plus एतिरो स्क्वायर plus एतिरो स्क्वायर जदि 1 हे जियो that will be created direction cosine so एइडा को हम डिसिस बोली प्रमाण करिया को हेले एतिरो स्क्वायर plus एतिरो स्क्वायर plus एतिरो स्क्वायर मु 1 बोली देखे दिबी जदि 1 बोली देखेबा this will be direction cosine okay are you understand okay मु कौन कहली ना एलिमेंट को जो नंबरटा प्रोपोर्शनल होबो सेटा डायरेक्शन रेशियो होबो किंतु से डायरेक्शन रेशियोटा केतेबेले डायरेक्शन कोसाइन होबो ना जेतिरो सेतिरो स्क्वायर से एक्सप्रेशन रो स्क्वायर प्लस रो स्क्वायर एतिरो स्क्वायर जदि 1 बोल देखेदा डायरेक्शन कोसाइन हे जिवो ओके नाउ m1 n2 minus m2 n1 रो स्क्वायर प्लस n1 l2 minus l1 n2 plus l1 m2 minus l2 m1 square so एतिक स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आपको तमे ए एक्सप्रेशन दा को एक्सपांड करिवो एक्सपांड कला पर जो वैल्यू आसीबो एक्सपांड कला पर जो वैल्यू आसीबो से वैल्यू डा को आमे दिस एंड दिस और एक्सप्रेशन दे आमे ताकू एक्सप्रेस करवा देखो यार एक्सपांड कला पोरे जतिकी आसीबो से वैल्यूडा को इन टर्म्स ऑफ L1 स्क्वायर प्लस M1 स्क्वायर प्लस N1 स्क्वायर L2 स्क्वायर M2 स्क्वायर प्लस N2 स्क्वायर L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2 रे जति एक्सप्रेस करवा we will get the same result and that the expression form is L1 square L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square into L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square minus L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 square ये को फिटला परे जति आसीबो से एक्सप्रेशन लागो बा से वैल्यू लागो या स्टाइल ले जदि हम एक्सप्रेस करिबा we will get the same expression एडा को मल्टीप्लाई करिवो एडा को फेटेबो एडा रो एडा माइनस करियो जति के आसीबो यार वैल्यू लागो सेति आसी तमे मध्य प्रूव करले मध्य जानि पारियो जे एतिक आंसर ता एक्चुअली होछ ना नाही so in that stage we can write directly this value of the expression of the form in this way but you know L1 square plus M1 square plus N square is 1 into 1 minus this is 0 so this is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0 this is equal to 1 so this square plus this square plus this square equal to 1 therefore m1 n2 minus m2 n1 comma n1 l2 minus n2 l1 comma l1 m2 minus m1 l2 are be the direction cosine of a required line direction cosine of a required line okay तमे यार वैल्यू को एमदी डायरेक्ट मध्य लिखि पारिबो so this one is direction cosine of the line okay next we do another problem this question is very important okay so that the measure of the angles between the four diagonals of a rectangular parallel tripod whose edges are A, B, C are cos inverse A square plus or minus B square plus or minus C square whole by A square plus B square plus C square. So here first we take the rectangular parallel tripod. So rectangular parallel tripod means the length, breadth and height will be different length. If length, breadth, height all are equal length then that will be this figure will be cube okay but length, breadth and height are different length, so that figure must be a rectangular parallel pivot. So in a rectangular parallel pivot, we find the angle between four main diagonals of a four main diagonal. तेणु गोटे रेक्टांगुलर पैरेलल पाइपट जो चार्टा मेन डायगोनल आसीबो इंटरनल जो डायगोनल आसीबो दैट इज नोन एज मेन डायगोनल से मेन डायगोनल मानकर एंगल बाहर करिया तो चार्टा अछि चार्टा डायगोनल तो चार्टा डायगोनल रु आम एंगल बाहर करिया जे कौन से दीटा डायगोनल आम जब सिलेक्शन करवा चार्टा मेन डायगोनल है दीटा डायगोनल एंगल आम तो केतना एंगल फॉर्मेशन हम इन कॉम्बिनेशन 4c2 तो 4c2 इज इक्वल टू 4 फैक्टोरियल by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 रो factorial. So this is equal to 4 factorial means 24 by 2 into 2. So this is a 24 by 4. So this is equal to 6. तेणु 6टा एंगल फॉर्मेशन हम तेणु डायगोनल मानक भीतर जब आम एंगल बाहर करिया we will get 6 angle. So this 6 angle is equal to cos inverse a square plus or minus b square plus or minus c square by a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so how to find its angle? First we take the rectangular parallel pivot. You draw this figure in this way. Rectangular parallel pivot. Okay, this one is joining this edge. And taking 3 as coordinate axis. This is taking coordinate axis z axis and this is y axis and this is x axis and this one is origin. Here A, B, C, D, this is E and this is F and this is equal to G. So this one is a rectangular parallel pivot whose length, breadth, height of different length. Suppose its length is equal to A, breadth is B and height is C. So the coordinate of point A is equal to A0, 0 because A lies on the x-axis and the coordinate of C is equal to 0, B, 0 and the coordinate of E is 0, 0, C. And the coordinate of point B, since the B lies on the xy plane, on xy plane Z coordinate is 0. So this is equal to A, 0. On F lies on the exact plane, on exact plane y coordinate is 0, so A0 C. Okay, but in the coordinate of D lies on yz plane, on yz plane x coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0, 0, comma B, comma C. yz plane रे x टा 0 तेणु 0 B C है F टा xy exact plane y coordinate 0, B point xy रही xy रे z coordinate 0. G point आर लेंथ कौन हम कोऑर्डिनेट A B C. Okay, so what are the main diagonal? OG, AD, EB, CF सब main diagonal तुम एक्सिस न बोली मु कोई चागुडू ना नहीं अच्छा. So we write these things answer. Consider a parallel pivot, rectangular parallel pivot O A B C D E F G. Okay, with each sides consider a rectangular parallel pivot O A B C D E F G whose 3 edges taken as a coordinate axis whose length OA equal to A and breadth OC is equal to B and height OC, that is OE is equal to C. Okay, So the coordinate of O is the 0, 0, 0. Now the main diagonals. The main diagonals are OG, AD, EB and CF. Okay. What is the direction ratio? Direction ratio of OG. So OG means A minus 0, B minus 0, C minus 0. Direction ratio of AD. AD means D ru A फेड़ियो. तो D पॉइंट आउची तमरो YZ रो से एक्स्ट्रा 0, 0, B, C. A पॉइंट आउची A 0, 0, 0 minus A. तो minus A, B, C एला. And direction ratio of EB. AD पर EB माने कौन होबो? E minus EB माने B minus E करिवो. EB तो the B minus E, B A minus 0. This is B. XY plane Z coordinate 0. तो A minus 0, A B minus C, A B minus C, and direction ratio of CF. Direction ratio of CF. F point जेतु exact अच्छी Y coordinate 0, A 0 C minus C माने 0 B 0. तो A minus 0 A है, 0 minus B है, C minus 0 C है. So this is equal to A minus B then C. A minus B C है. Okay. तो first we take 6 angle ratio. ना नहीं 4C2. तो direction ratio first है हमें angle between OG AD बाहर करिया. OG सहित EB बाहर करिया. OG सहित CF बाहर करिया. Then AD सहित EB, AD सहित CF, then EB सहित CF. Okay. So angle between OG and AD is equal to cos inverse. Direct पकोची cos inverse OG AD माने A into minus A square plus B square plus C square. So this is equal to minus A square plus B square minus C square by here A square plus B square plus C square by root of here A square plus B square plus C square into root over minus A square plus B square plus C square. So root over A square plus B square C square into root over A square plus B square plus C square. So clearly this is A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Next angle between OG and EB. तो OG सहित AD बाहर कले OG सहित EB बाहर करिया. तो ये देखो A into A square plus B into B square minus C square by root over A square plus B square plus C square into root over A square plus B square minus C square means C square is 0. So this is equal to cos inverse कौन होची A square plus B square minus C square. A square plus B square plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. Are you understand? So next angle between OG and CF. So this is equal to cos inverse angle between OG and CF. देखो पहले A into A square B into minus B कितना है A square minus B square plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square into root over A square plus B square plus C square. तो कौन होची A square minus B square, A square minus B square minus C square, sorry plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Next तापर कौन बाहर करिया एंगल बिटवीन OG AD बाहर कले OG EB बाहर कले OG CA बाहर कले. तापर कौन बाहर करिया AD EB आउ AD CF बाहर करिया. AD EB एंगल बिटवीन एडा में कटौची देखो. नेक्स्ट एंगल बिटवीन AD and EB. AD and EB, this is equal to minus A into minus A. Minus A square plus B square minus C square. Okay. So this is equal to cos inverse minus A square plus B square minus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. Then angle between AD and CF. AD and CF. So minus A square minus B square plus C square. So this is equal to cos inverse what? AD and CF. Minus A square minus B square minus A square minus B square plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Then angle between आम एडी इबी बाहर कले एडी सी बाहर कले बर्तमान आम बाहर करिया कौन इबी आउ सीएफ सहित एंगल बिटवीन इबी एंड सीएफ so this is equal to cos inverse A square minus B square minus C square. Cos inverse A square minus B square minus C square by A square minus B square minus C square by this is equal to कौन होची A square plus B square plus C square. Here A square plus B square plus C square root over अच्छी ना तो this is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So these are all are the angles. These are all are the angles of angle between four main diagonals. We will get these 6 angles. So there is a mistake, angle between OG and EB. So angle between OG and EB, this is the A square plus B square C into minus C. So this is a minus C square. So this is equal to minus C square. Okay. So this one is equal to minus C square. A square plus B square minus C square. This is the angle between OG and EB. So these 6 angles can be combined in a combined form. Therefore, here write angle between diagonals of rectangular parallel bipod of rectangular parallel bipod is cos inverse. This is the plus or minus A square plus or minus B square plus or minus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. So we combined these 6 angles in this way. We write this is the cos inverse plus or minus A square plus or minus B square plus or minus C square. So in next question we do another question. Find the coordinates of the point where the perpendicular from origin meets the line joining the points -9, 4, 5 and 11, 0, -1. So here we find the coordinates of the perpendicular. Find the coordinate of the point where the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line joining these 2 points. Okay, so what is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line joining this point? Here this is the origin, you know its coordinate is 0, 0, 0, and the line joining these 2 points, here this is A and this is equal to B. The coordinate of the point A is equal to -9, 4, 5 and the coordinate of B is equal to 11, 0, minus 1. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular line from origin to the line joining AB. Suppose L is the foot of the perpendicular. So what will be the coordinates where the perpendicular meets the line joining AB? Suppose L divide AB in the ratio k:1. Okay. So we are already discussed in the previous class. Answer. Let L divides AB in the ratio k:1, in the ratio k:1. So L is equal to 11k minus 9 by k plus 1, k into 0, 0 plus 4 by k plus 1, k into minus 1, k into minus 1, this is equal to minus k plus 5 by k plus 1. Okay, by k plus 1. So minus k plus 5 by k plus 1. Next, direction ratio of AB. So 11 minus 9, 20, 0 minus 4, minus 1 minus 5, this is minus 6. Direction ratio of OL. OL means L minus O. Okay. So this is 11k minus 9 by k plus 1. Here 4 by k plus 1 and minus k plus 5 by k plus 1. Since AB perpendicular to OL, so by perpendicular condition 20 into 11k minus 9 by k plus 1 plus minus 4 into 4 by k plus 1 plus minus 6 into minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. These are perpendicular condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus 1, C2 equal to 0. So this is equal to 11k minus 9, this is equal to 220k minus 180 by k plus 1 minus 16 by k plus 1, here minus minus plus 6k minus 30 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 220k minus 6k, plus 6k, 220k plus 6k minus 180 minus 16 minus 30 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to, that implies 226k minus here 180 plus 30. This is equal to 210 into minus 16. So 210 minus 16 means this is the 226 minus 226 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So 226 is equal to 226. Therefore k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 means substitute the value of k in the coordinate of L. Therefore the foot of the perpendicular, therefore L is equal to 11, k is equal to 1, 11 minus 9. So 2 by 2 and this is equal to 4 by 2 and this is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 by 2. So this is equal to 1, 2, 2. This is the point where the perpendicular drawn from origin to meets the line joining AB. Okay. So origin to आम ए प्रति जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्र करिया परपेंडिकुलर लाइन जो पॉइंट रे मिसला तार फुट रो कोऑर्डिनेट दिस इज इक्वल टू L is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so prove that the measure of the angle between diagonal of a face and the diagonal of a cube drawn from a vertex is cos inverse 2 by root 3. So here we find angle between the diagonal of a face and the angle between diagonal of a cube. Then gote face diagonal, out a main diagonal, and the diagonal of a cube means this is the main diagonal. तो गोटे मेन डायगोनल आ गोटे फेस डायगोनल आम एंगल बाहर करिया जोड़ा कि गोटे वर्टेक्स रु जाइथिबो गोटे वर्टेक्स रु ड्रॉ होइथिबो एंड दैट एंगल मस्ट बी cos इनवर्स 2 by root 3. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक an cube. You draw this figure of the cube in this way. Okay, now joining this edge point. This is the joining this edge point, taking 3 edge coordinate axis. Okay, this is x, y, and this is z. Here this is O, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is F and this is G, and the each side of a length a unit. So the coordinate of A is equal to A0, 0, and the coordinate of this is equal to 0, 0, A, and this is equal to 0, A, 0. The point B lies on the xy plane. On xy plane, y coordinate is 0, A, 0. On xz, F point lies on xz plane. On xz plane, y coordinate is 0. So A, 0, A. D lies on the yz plane. In yz plane, x coordinate is 0, A. So the coordinate of G is A. Okay. So these are the coordinate of the vertices of the cube. So we write this thing. Answer. Consider a cube O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G with 3 edges taken as a coordinate axis, and each side of length A units. Okay, now the main diagonals. The main diagonals are, and the coordinate of O, main diagonals are OG, AD, EB, and CF. But we find a face diagonal. We find angle between a face diagonal and a main diagonal. Main diagonal drawn from a vertex. That is one main diagonal, OG, and face diagonal. This is OB, and this is the main diagonal is OG. Face diagonal is OB. Okay, we find its angle OG and OB. So direction ratio of OG. What is direction ratio of OG? This is equal to A, and direction ratio of OB. Here A minus 0, A minus 0. This is A 0. Okay. You can take any. If you consider the main diagonal is AD, main diagonal is AD, and the face diagonal is AC or AE. In this way, you can consider also. Okay. So here the angle between OG and OB is equal to cos inverse A into A. This is equal to A square plus A into A square plus 0 by root 3A square into root 2 A square. Okay, because A square plus A square, this is the root 2 A square. So this is equal to cos inverse 2A square by root 3A into root 2A. So this is equal to root 3 into root 2A, because the root A square means A, and this is equal to root A square. Okay, so A square cancel. So this is equal to cos inverse 2 by root 2. So this is root 2 by root 3. So this is equal to cos inverse root over 2 by 3. So this is the angle between face diagonal and main diagonal drawn from a vertex. So in the next class we do the vector, that is a plane. What is the equation of the plane in a vector form and its Cartesian form. Okay. So by the help of a concept of the first chapter, you can do all the problems of the elementary exercise textbook, first exercise 13A. Thank you.